Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? I'm doing pretty good, thank you. So, in today's video clip, we are going to start a new unit. Unit number 8, addition to 20. And you remember what addition means, right? Plus, you add numbers together. Okay? And the first unit, the first part of this unit is adding two one-digit numbers. So you have two one-digit numbers that you're going to add together. And one-digit number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. 10 is not a one digit. 10 is two digits. You have 1 and you have 0, two digits. So today we're going to focus on adding two one-digit numbers together. Okay, so if you look here on my right, I have an example here. So Kevin has 7 blocks. Blocks. This is a block. Okay. Poom gives him 4 more blocks. How many blocks does Kevin have altogether? Okay? So 7 plus 4 is the same as 11. And then we write 7 plus 4 equals 11. And we read, so this is how we write it, this is how we read it. So we read it, 7 plus 4 equals 11. Okay, and then we answer the question. Kevin has 11 blocks altogether. Okay, and now we count on. So you see 7 blocks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know they are not the same size, but the real blocks, they are exactly the same size. But I'm not very good at drawing, so that's why my blocks are not the same size. So here we have 7 blocks, Kevin's blocks. So these are Kevin's. Okay, and then these are the blocks that Poom give him. Poom give. Okay, so let's count on. So we have 7 blocks from Kevin already, 7, and then add 1 more, 8, and then add 1 more, 9, add 1 more, 10, and add 1 more, 11. So this is how we count on. 7, and then we add 1 equals 8. We add 1 more, plus 1 more, 9, plus 1 more, 10, and plus 1 more, 11. Okay, now I will show you in real life. How many blocks are here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we have 7 blocks. Okay, 7 blocks. And then let's count on. So we add 1 more, plus 1, 7, plus 1, 8, plus 1 more. So now we have already added this one, 8. Now it joins here. Plus 1 more, 8, plus 1, 9. 9. Now we have already added it. We put it together there. Plus 1 9 plus 1, 10. Put it together with the other ones. 10 plus 1 more. The last one. 11. So this is how we're counting on. We start with 7 because that's the original 7 that Kevin has. And then we add 4. But to make it easier and visualize it, we add 1 by 1. So 1, and then 1 more, and then 1 more, and the last one. But that's just to make it easier. But you can do it 7 plus 4, 11. Okay? But we start with the basic. This is very basic so that everyone understands. Okay? Good. So I will give you one more example. I just need to change the camera so that you can see. Okay, so here we have one more example. Separate. This is for Kevin and Poom. Now we have Ploy and Ed. Okay, so Ploy has 6 blocks. Here I draw pictures and then they are blocks. Ed has 5 blocks. 5 blocks. How many blocks do they have all together? Okay, so excuse me. So you already know that 6 plus 5, you write that like this. 6 plus 5 equals how many? And then let's do the visualization, the counting on. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blocks here. Okay? So we count on 1 by 1. 6 plus 1, 7. Plus 1, 8. Plus 1, 9. Plus 1, 10. Plus 1, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay? So 11 is the answer. 6 plus 5 equals 11. And I will not repeat how we write it. We write it like this, but then we read 6 plus 5 equals 11. Okay. So now let's visualize it one more time with the blocks. So Ploy, she has 6 blocks. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? You can clearly see she has 6 blocks here. And now Ed, he has how many blocks? 5. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So yes, that is correct. He has 5 blocks. Now let's count on 1 by 1. We'll stand them up. So 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. And 10 plus 1, 11. Okay? Easy, right? When you can see it like this, it is very, very easy. Addition, easy if you can imagine in your mind or if you can see it physically, then it's easy. Okay? So, do you understand? I have now shown you 2 examples And I will give you some homework to do. Homework will be pages 175 and 176 and 177. Yeah, 177. So 3 pages homework. What did I say? 175, right? Yes. 175 to 177. 3 pages. Okay? Good. Take care, and I will see you in the next video clip. Bye bye. Now this part of the video is for you mothers and fathers out there, so that you can correct your children's answers. Okay, and so this is the first page, and as you can see in the blue box, you have 6 airplanes, and then you're counting on, so you add 1 more per step, so 6, and then we have, let me count that with you, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You add 1 for each step, so there are 10 planes all together. Alright, and then the trains, there are 9 trains in the blue box, and then you count on, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 each step, so 9, 10 plus 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You add 1 per step, so there are 14 trains all together. Alright, good. Then we turn to the next page, and we start up top with the flowers. So we have 7 flowers in the blue box, and then we count on 1 each, 1, 2, so ends with 9, 7, 8, 9, 1 and 2, so 9 is the answer. Then we have the paper clips, we have 6 in the box, blue box, and then we're counting on with 1 per step, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 is the answer. And how many cars? We have 9 cars, so 9 in the box, and then we count on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 cars all together. Okay, and then we turn to the last page. And here we have, what are they? Boats, I think. Yeah, so we have 6 boats in the blue box, and then, oh sorry, this is not, now it's not counting on. Here you have to write number sentence, so do the same. Look at how many you have in the blue box. You have 6, and then look at how many you have outside the blue box, and that is also 6. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. Alright, and then D, the watermelon, you have 9 in the box, so 9, and then outside the box you have 6 plus 6, and that equals 15. How about ice creams? You have 6 in the box, so you write 6 first, and then you have 8 outside the box, so you plus 8, and 8 plus 6 equals 14. And lastly, the seahorses. You have 8 seahorses in the box, and you have 9 seahorses outside the box, the blue box. So 8 plus 9 equals 17. Alright, and these are the correct answers. So please check your children's answers, and then correct if they have made any mistakes. Okay, good job, and thank you.